This is my dad's Jeep Cherokee, and this is the infotainment system. It really is as bad as it looks. And eventually I got fed up by looking at this disgrace, so I decided that I was going to put a Tesla infotainment system in my dad's Jeep Cherokee. Enjoy. But first, hey you, did you know that it is illegal to put any extra large-scale displays on your dashboard? Yeah, don't do this unless you want to. No one's stopping you, except for the law. I don't know what that was. Let's just start the video. Okay, so first things first, I need a screen. And as far as I'm aware, I don't think Elon Musk really wants to sell me a Tesla screen alone without buying a whole car. So I had to improvise. I think my iPad kind of looks like a Tesla screen. After that, I needed to get the software on my iPad. And I don't really think Elon Musk wants to sell me Tesla OS, so I had to make a mock-up of it. So I grabbed a screenshot of Tesla OS online and basically did some Photoshop. So first I changed the car on the screen from a Tesla to a Jeep, and I put it from a top view and put it in park with 0 miles per hour. And then I changed the music to something I would probably listen to. Great album, by the way, highly recommend it. And changed the logo so it wasn't Tesla and it was Jeep. So it kind of fits the theme of it's a Tesla screen, but it's not actually the Tesla car. Now that I had the mock-up and the screen ready to go, I needed to figure out how I was going to mount the screen to the Jeep. So what I did was I decided to go to this online CAD software called Tinkercad, so I didn't have to pay for anything, GG's. And then I designed the stand and started printing it on my 3D printer. And I'm lucky that it actually turned out good, because this 3D printer I have really sucks. It was a $100 3D printer, okay? I could not resist. So after I did that, I found these really sticky two-sided stickers. And yeah, basically because this can't be permanent, because it's illegal, I had to use really sticky stickers so I could stick it on for a little bit, but it wouldn't like be stuck onto the car for ever, basically. And just like that, this is the Tesla interface. Right here. This is all my Photoshop on the Tesla interface to make it seem like it's actually part of the Jeep. What I have back here, it's a little stand here to hold it up. Should probably push it back a little bit more so it doesn't fall, but for now it's good. It's held on by some really sticky stickers, and it's kind of just resting here. So it's kind of like the Infinity's touchscreen over there, in which this is like, you know, the little touch control panel, and this is like the whole kind of like screen area where you just look at it, basically. So, you know. And if you're wondering what it would actually look like with it mounted properly, I photoshopped you guys a mock-up of what it would actually look like if it was mounted properly. We're gonna ignore my awful Photoshop, by the way. You made it to the end of the video. How do you feel? Like, real talk. How do you feel after that magical experience? Feel free to leave it in the comments down below. Okay, so seriously, don't do this. This is illegal if you drive with it, because, you know, there is actually a law where I live that, you know, if you have a attachment that's too big, you can get pulled over for it. And I don't want any of you to get caught by the law, so you can test this out in your garage if you want. I don't really care, but like, you know, just a warning. So yeah, thank you for watching my online video where I did who knows what to my dad's Jeep Cherokee. And, okay, bye.